Okay, so you've done a hose in the valley on a diesel WK2 and you've now got some problems that you more than likely have introduced yourself. There are a number of things that people commonly make mistakes for, so we'll do some little videos on this. The first and the most common mistake that everybody makes is when you start it up, you've got the throttle body red lightning bolt on the dash and potentially a check engine light. The most common issue for this is the brown and yellow multi-plug on the side of the throttle body. It looks like it's in, but it's not clicked in home. So if you've got that issue, the first thing to go back and check is the brown plug on the side of the throttle body. Right at the front, it's tucked down in underneath. Normally you need to get two little flat blade screwdrivers, push the tab back with one and pry the plug back onto the multi-plug, back onto the throttle body itself to make sure it's sitting all the way home. It'll feel like it's home, but it's not, and it'll log codes for that. So that's the most common problem.